Good day, ma'am. I'm Justin Carl Adrian A. Logroño, and I'll be reciting the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. So, the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. As a law enforcer, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deception, the weak against oppression, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger. Scorn or ridicule, develop self-resistance, and be constantly mindful of the welfare and others. Honest in my thought and deed in both my personal and official life. And I'll be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land and regulation of my department. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential nature or that is confined to me in my official capacity will be kept ever secret unless relevant and necessary for the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudice, animosities, or friendship to influence my decisions. With no compromise of war crime and with relentless persecution of criminals, I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor. Malice or ill will employing unnecessary force or violence and never accepting gratitudes. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith and and I accept it as a public trust to be held to be held so long as I am true to the ethics of the police service, and I will constantly strive to achieve these objectives and dedicating myself before to God, to my chosen profession, law enforcement.